And Deputy Finance Minister Ying assured that the second phase purchase of Boeing aircraft valued at $9.5 billion will neither impact Malaysia's debt levels nor affect its fiscal deficit. She added that the purchase is part of the 13th Malaysia Plan.
Semua berkenaan dengan pembelian Boeing itu, ini semua adalah dalam rancangan. Jadi ini tidak, pada masa sekarang ini tidak akan menjejaskan hutang atau defisit fiskal.
Meanwhile, addressing concerns over the high national debt amid geopolitical uncertainties, Lim explained that the increase is necessary to finance the fiscal deficit and cover development expenditures. Lim also clarified that development expenditures are not financed solely by debt but also through tax revenue and non-tax income.